So how do you use the voice command on the iPad? Let's explain that. If you're new on the Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Anyways, you can set it up, of course, in your settings, and actually more places are available, right? So instead of the accessibility, you can locate the voice control, which is a dedicated menu in here, and you can enable it. And as you can see, we have now the ability to use it. So there's like the tutorial within it, so you can just like get in touch with it or use or learn how to use it. But there below, we also get the ability to set up the commands, right, which is something that you are interested in. And you can see we have some like built-in commands and everything, but we also have the ability to set up a brand new one, right? So as you can see, you can type in some specific phrase in here and also have the action to be selected as well as the app inside of which it's going to be like performed. So this is how you're going to do this. Make sure you save it. And this is, of course, used every time you have the, general like voice control enabled and you have your custom commands in it there as well. But of course, outside of that, we have the Siri, which is like of course, the virtual assistant, which you can set up on your iPad, and it can be triggered with your voice command or also through the top button or side button. You can find it in the Apple Intelligence and Siri section or in the accessibility where you tap on the top button there. You can choose also that Siri gets triggered with holding down on it. And this can, of course, use or utilize your voice commands in there as well. So let me know if you managed to set it up and make it work. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in those videos as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.